Last week, we started our 3-week vegan chicken series with the ultimate fried chicken sandwich, fast food style. And this week, we're dropping this epic vegan jerk chicken tortilla bowl using those soy curls that I love so much. We're serving it all in a toasted tortilla bowl filled with coconut rice and beans, spicy vegan jerk chicken, and topping it all with a homemade pineapple salsa. We've got a lot to do, so let's get started. In a pot, add rice, vegan chicken flavored stock or water, coconut milk, minced garlic, and thyme. When the rice is done, stir in kidney beans, green onion, and lime juice. To make the vegan jerk chicken, you're going to pour water over the soy curls and hydrate them for about 10 minutes. Squeeze the moisture from the soy curls, reserving a tablespoon of this liquid, and then add them to a mixing bowl. Add the reserved liquid, a store-bought jerk marinade, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and give them a really good toss until they're well coated. Add these soy curls to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. To make the tortilla bowls, place 4 oven-proof bowls upside down on another baking sheet. Lightly spray one side of the tortilla with vegetable oil and place the tortilla oil side down over the bowl so that the edges are facing down. Follow the natural pleating the tortillas will make and press the folds with your fingers to secure the pleat. Repeat this with the remaining tortillas and spray the top with a little bit more vegetable oil as well. Bake the tortilla bowls on the lower rack in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Let the tortilla bowls cool slightly before removing them from the molds. Bake the soy curls on the upper rack of the oven for 18 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through, until the soy curls are warm and the marinade looks slightly drier. To make the pineapple salsa, you're going to combine pineapple, jalapeno, red bell pepper, red onion, garlic, lime juice, fresh mint, sea salt, and ground black pepper in a bowl. Now to assemble the bowls, you can spoon the rice and beans into the tortilla bowls, top with the vegan jerk chicken soy curls, and add that pineapple salsa right on top. I'm in love with this jerk chicken tortilla bowl idea, and I also love saying jerk chicken as many times as possible. Don't you just want to dig right into these? Okay, next week we are continuing our vegan chicken series and making Nashville hot chicken tacos. Holla! I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.